coming to you live from Ijams Nature Center, and we haven't been here in a very long time, so make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and like this video. Sad story about Zoe the vulture. She got hit by a truck, and so she had to go to rehab in Pigeon Forge, and then she got so used to people because her recovery took so long that she got adopted by Ijams, and that's why she lives here now, because she can't fend for herself anymore. Poor Zoe. Mead, Quarry. I have such a hard time with that word. We're on a paddle board. Are you ready?
Let go of me.
Why?
I don't know. Hurts my thing. Don't fall. Don't fall.
Why do you do that?
I want to fucking, Is your fucking, light thing waterproof?
Yes. It's actually a dive light.
That's cool. Oh, hey. How you doing? We're at Mead, Quarry. My name's Jeremy. I'm sexy. Like my pecs. Perry.
Is it on? Jeremy's paddling. Jeremy's been paddling. I've just been chilling while Jeremy's been paddling. Don't drop it if you fall. Oh God. This is crazy.
Can't see the board, but
Huh?
go for it. Jump.
Jump?
Better?
Yeah.
Cool. Awesome. Now try to get back on.
Try to get back on? That's probably going to be nearly impossible.
See? You got back on. Good job. She thought she couldn't get back on. Boobs popped up. Thanks. Here, put that back over there.
Yeah, they've probably been worn by millions of people.
What? What is? Where's my hat?
A third person? Was there a ghost on there with you?
Hold on to like this and just get a flotation device.
Guys, it's like 95 outside. This feels so good. You have no idea.
Oh.
I do want to go to Mom's pool. Look guys, I have a motorboat. His name is Jeremy. He's trying to push us back to shore with not much success.